I'm having the weirdest day ever. Like the weirdest day. You can hear my voice, the bass. Imagine I've slept for 10 hours, 10 whole hours uninterrupted without moving. I was lying in the same position. Yo, that's crazy. 10 full hours. Imagine I didn't even hear anything. I couldn't feel myself. No, you see my eyes, the way they're swollen. 10 full hours. And I still feel tired. I feel exhausted. Well, this morning I slept at 5 a.m. So I wanted to wake up at around 10 maybe. Yeah, so that I can go do some shopping. I want to go buy some groceries because I don't have food in the house. But I woke up at 2. It's crazy. But it's not because I didn't sleep at all yesterday. I was tossing and turning. I didn't sleep. And then I told myself I'm gonna sleep during the day. I'm talking about yesterday. Told myself I'm gonna try and take a nap during the day, but I couldn't. I didn't. I guess that's why I've slept for like 10 hours to compensate for yesterday and today now. And I need to stop this habit. I need to stop this habit of sleeping in the morning. It's terrible. It's annoying because now the whole day is wasted. But I'm not gonna waste it. We're going grocery shopping right now. I want to write down the things I'm gonna get before I get there, and then I get confused and forget some stuff. So I'm gonna check what I have and what I don't have, write them down, and then head out. So I'll see you guys when I get to the grocery store. Man, I feel so disoriented. I feel out of place and out of order. I'm never sleeping like that ever. I'm having the pilau I made yesterday. Oh, that lighting is really bad. Hold on. Yeah, I made pilau yesterday. I'm gonna have pilau and black coffee. I don't know if I should call this lunch or breakfast or brunch because I'm still gonna eat when I come back. It's really good. I'm a good cook. It didn't taste like that last night, but right now it tastes better. It's so hot outside. It's so hot. The sun is out to bless my melanin. Let me finish this and then I'll see you at the mall. Hey guys, come with me to Luthuli. Let's go source for a fridge. If we're not gonna get a fridge today, we're just gonna go for grocery shopping. Honestly, I'm not sure if I should go to Luthuli or I should go to CBD because I don't know if I'm gonna get the fridge today, but I really need to get it as soon as possible because I don't have food in the house. And yeah, living alone and cooking daily, it's a hassle. Okay, it's not a hassle, but I don't know. If you live alone, you get me. It's not fun eating alone or cooking daily for just one person. It's boring. So yeah, I need to get that fridge as soon as possible. So right now I'm battling between going to CBD or just going to the mall and see what I can find there. But I'm sure it's expensive there. So yeah, let's just go to Luthuli. Let's go to Luthuli. I have my carry bags because I'm not buying extra ones. I have 5 in the house. So yeah, I'll see you guys in CBD. I'll try and vlog. Luthuli is dangerous. But yeah, I'll try. When I get to the stores, I'll try and get some few shots. If not, we'll just go to the mall and see what we can find there. Yeah, Tukikosa will buy online. Okay, can somebody tell me why some guys here in my country, in Africa, Kenya, Nairobi, call me Mzungu? Seriously. Do I look like I'm Mzungu? This is the 50th time nimetembea and then watu wananiita Mzungu, mimi shwali Mzungu. Bro, sorry hizo. You said this? Now this is the fridge I want, the one that has a dispenser, and then even the size See how simple it looks. But now, yeah, the price, and imagine it's on offer and it's going for, yep, 38. My budget is very tight because I need a fridge and a microwave. I would like to get those two today if it's possible. Let's keep looking. Oh, this store is at Odeon Cinema. Yeah, when you walk by Odeon, you'll just see it. So I'm finally done. I've gotten a good deal. Okay, not really good, but it's okay. And I'm carrying my fridge home today. And the best thing about it is that, okay, the service was amazing. Yeah? The service was amazing, and I'm getting free delivery, so that's a plus. Santi, we are at Carrefour now. We are at Carrefour right now, shopping. They said I can't shoot videos, but yeah, I'm gonna try and sneak in some few shots. Man, I'm so tired. I am so tired. My fridge is home. We've already unpacked it. Imagine I carried it. Just me and the driver. No one else. I'm strong, y'all. I'm strong. What was that? I'm just excited. I have my baby. She looks so good there. Look. Yeah, this is half of the grocery. I've only done half because, yeah, I've bought half of the stuff because things from the supermarkets are really, really expensive. So I want to see if I can get somewhere where I can buy these stuffs at a wholesale price, and then I share it with my parents because, yeah, these things are very expensive, ridiculously expensive, or it's just adulting. I don't like being an adult. I don't like it at all. I want to be a kid. I hate adulting. Anyway. I know. Guys, right now, I should be celebrating. I should be happy that I finally have a fridge. But honestly, I'm not. I'm so annoyed. Look at this. Tell me why these lights are dim like that. And they keep changing. They would go off and then come back on, and then they're dim. I don't know, it's like someone is playing with it. And it's so annoying. Then the skin disease that I have, I'm not sure if it's fungal infection, because the doctors told me it's skin fungal infection. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's that or it's eczema, because it was getting worse, the whole body, and then it got to a point where it started disappearing. Right now, my upper body looks a bit better, but my lower body is a mess, especially my butt. I'll tell you that story tomorrow when I'm in a good mood, because right now I feel terrible. Yeah. So yeah, let's make dinner. I'm about to wash my dishes, and then I'm cooking. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna make rice and dengu, shower, and then go to bed. Cause yeah, I seriously need to see the doctor tomorrow to see to know what's actually going on, cause it's becoming irritating. Yeah, let's make dinner.